Alright, so taking off the alternator on a 2016 is350. This is the Sport version. A couple of YouTube videos out there that kind of help guide you through the removal process, but you'll see this little stud right here. Someone removed that to get the alternator out. I had trouble getting it between the radiator hose here and the little AC line here, so I did remove the ECU box. I found that to be probably the easiest way, and it's just got a couple of 10s like here and here, and then I just pretty much just flipped it on its side, took this little connector off. See right there, that little plastic hose, and I found that to be the easiest way to just fish the alternator out. And I think with that, you'll be able to leave the bracket that gives a lot of people trouble, which is this one right here, the infamous one that sits under it. If you can get this off, you're one of the lucky ones. But I think now with the ECU box out of the way, I can pretty much just reinstall that and then get that other bolt that goes in that second hole out of the way. I did loosen the tensioner and then take off the little pulley here to make room to get it off, and then really no change to the other ones. So there's the OEM unit. Here's one I bought from Rock Auto to kind of swap in, and now I'm gonna reinsert the alternator and then kind of repiece everything back together. But totally recommend getting the ECU box out of the way, and then it literally just comes out this way, and then you can just flip it right on up and out. Kind of through trial and error, that was the best way I found. So if you're struggling on this vehicle, it's really not that hard of a job. Just take your time and take this box off. It will save you lots of time, and then just take pictures of what you take off so you can just reference that and get it back together. But without further ado, I'll just grab this little radiator here. Don't mind the scars on my finger. As you can see, you can literally just take the radiator, or not radiator, the alternator, and then start making your way back in to the brackets down there. Yeah, so definitely the best way, in my opinion, to get it reinserted. Let me see if I can fish it back in there. All right, let's see. Get it past this AC hose. It's kind of hard to do it with one hand. There. Yeah, you see. And then all you really have to do is now is align it back on the screw right here. Bam. And easy does it. But first, I just wanted to show you that I gotta get that bracket back on, the one that gives everybody trouble, before I install, so I don't run into that issue. But yeah, that's the best way I found to do the alternator. Yeah, if you have any questions, let me know.